Orino Prima. The Orino Prima is a modern, well-designed product created to make everyday life easier and more comfortable. It focuses on simplicity, smart features, and a clean design that fits perfectly into daily routines. Whether you're using it at home or on the go, the Orino Prima feels intuitive and easy to handle, even for first-time users. Its thoughtful build quality gives it a premium feel while still being practical for regular use. What really makes the Orino Prima stand out is how smoothly it performs its job without unnecessary complexity. Everything is designed to save time and reduce effort, so you can focus on what matters instead of figuring out complicated settings. The controls are user-friendly, and the overall experience feels natural and stress-free. In addition, the Orino Prima is built with durability in mind. It's made to handle daily use while maintaining reliable performance over time. Bajo Cabin. The Bajo Cabin is a modern and practical shelter made for people who enjoy outdoor living, remote work, or short off-grid stays. It offers a strong cabin-style structure that feels much more comfortable and secure than a normal tent. Designed with durability in mind, the Bajo Cabin can handle different weather conditions, making it suitable for camping, temporary housing, or outdoor projects. One of the best features of the Bajo Cabin is its easy and fast setup. It can be assembled quickly without the stress of complicated tools or long installation time. Inside, the cabin provides a roomy and well-planned space where you can place a bed, small furniture, and essential gear. Large openings allow fresh air and natural light to enter, creating a bright and comfortable environment. The cabin's strong frame and weather-resistant exterior help protect you from wind, rain, and cooler temperatures. Campstream One. The Campstream One is a smart camping accessory that brings comfortable, climate-controlled air from your electric vehicle, EV, into your tent. No more sweating in the summer heat or shivering during chilly nights. This system lets you enjoy warm, cool, dry, or clean air right where you're sleeping. It makes camping far more comfortable, especially for EV owners. The system works by installing a special window unit in your rolled-down EV window, connecting hoses from your car's HVAC vents directly to your tent. You can adjust the temperature using your EV's app, just like controlling the climate inside your vehicle. It's compatible with popular EVs like the Tesla Model 3Y and Rivian R1T R1S, making it easy to set up and use. The kit comes with insulated hoses, thermal sleeves, a rain gaiter, a high-flow dashboard vent, and a USB-C cable to keep your devices charged while you sleep. Everything is designed to maximize comfort and convenience without complicated setup. Perfect for campers who want to stay comfortable in any weather, the Campstream One turns your tent into a cozy shelter. Whether it's a summer getaway or a winter adventure, this system keeps you cool, warm, and well-rested, making every camping trip more enjoyable and relaxing. Electric Outdoors EO Canopy. The EO Canopy from Electric Outdoors is a revolutionary way to enjoy camping with modern comfort, all while staying off the grid. Designed for remote locations, it provides a glamping-style experience powered entirely by solar energy, so you don't need traditional electricity, plumbing, or infrastructure. Its solar tracking roof collects and stores energy in a large battery, which can power lights, appliances, outlets, and even charge electric vehicles or RVs. This makes it perfect for adventurers who want all the comforts of home while exploring nature. The EO Canopy is thoughtfully designed for convenience and comfort. FlareGo. FlareGo is a compact and practical device designed for people who love fresh coffee wherever they go. It's made for travel, outdoor trips, office use, or even quick coffee breaks at home. With its portable design, FlareGo lets you enjoy rich and flavorful coffee without needing large machines or complicated setups. Everything feels simple, clean, and easy to use, even for beginners. What makes FlareGo special is its smart and user-friendly operation. You just add coffee, water, and let the device do the work. It delivers consistent pressure and temperature, helping extract smooth and balanced coffee every time. Whether you prefer espresso-style shots or strong coffee, FlareGo gives you reliable results with minimal effort. Its solid build quality adds durability, making it suitable for regular use and travel. FlareGo is also easy to clean and maintain, which is a big plus for daily users. The sleek and modern design looks great in any setting, from a campsite to an office desk. Overall, FlexTail Light Rappel. The FlexTail Light Rappel is a smart and compact outdoor gadget designed to make camping, hiking, and night adventures more comfortable. It works as both a bright light and a mosquito repeller, helping you stay safe and relaxed after sunset. Instead of carrying separate devices, this all-in-one solution saves space and reduces hassle. The light provides clear and adjustable brightness, making it perfect for tents, campsites, or late-night outdoor activities. At the same time, the built-in insect repelling feature helps keep mosquitoes and bugs away without using sprays or chemicals on your skin. What makes the FlexTail Light Rappel especially useful is how easy it is to use. With simple controls and multiple modes, you can quickly switch between lighting and repelling functions based on your needs. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to hang, place on a table, or pack in a bag. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, so you don't have to worry about frequent charging during trips. Gerber Center Drive Multi-Tool. The Gerber Center Drive Multi-Tool is a powerful and versatile tool built for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, and quick repairs. Its standout feature is the center axis screwdriver, which sits in the middle of the tool for maximum torque and smooth rotation, making it feel just like a regular screwdriver. This makes tightening or loosening screws faster and easier than with most multi-tools. It also comes with spring-loaded pliers that open with one hand, along with rotating wire cutters and strippers for handling wires effortlessly. The full-size 3.25-inch stainless steel blade is perfect for cutting through rope, cardboard, or other materials. Giga Mattress and Tent. The Giga Mattress and Tent is a clever all-in-one solution for anyone who loves camping and wants a comfortable night's sleep outdoors. Instead of carrying a separate mattress and tent, this design combines both into a single, easy-to-use system. It's perfect for campers, hikers, or travelers who want convenience without giving up comfort. The built-in mattress keeps you off the cold, uneven, or damp ground, giving you a soft and flat sleeping surface that feels almost like home. It also helps you stay warm and cozy through the night. The tent itself is made from strong, weather-resistant materials to protect you from wind, light rain, and pesky bugs, making it a reliable shelter in different outdoor conditions. One of the best things about the Giga Mattress and Tent is how simple it is to set up. You don't need complicated tools or extra gear. Just unpack it, inflate the mattress, and you're ready to sleep. GoSun Camp 365. The GoSun Camp 365 is a revolutionary solar-powered camper trailer built for adventurers who want freedom and comfort anywhere, without relying on electricity hookups or generators. Using solar energy, it powers essential systems like cooking, refrigeration, lighting, and water, letting you camp completely off-grid while staying cozy and self-sufficient. Despite its high-tech features, the Camp 365 is lightweight and compact, weighing around 1 to 1,800 pounds and designed to be easily towed by cars, SUVs, or trucks. Its aerodynamic design makes towing smooth and efficient. Once you arrive at your destination, the trailer sets up in about 10 minutes, expanding into a spacious cabin with roughly 100 square feet of living space, complete with plenty of headroom. Inside, you'll find a solar-powered fridge, solar oven, water purification system, hot shower setup, portable power outlets, and even heated blankets for chilly nights. It's designed to offer all the comforts of a tiny home on wheels while staying fully off-grid. Perfect for long road trips, weekend getaways, or sustainable living adventures. The GoSun Camp 365 combines renewable energy, smart design, and rugged convenience. It makes exploring the outdoors easier, more comfortable, and eco-friendly, giving you the freedom to camp anywhere while enjoying modern comforts powered entirely by the sun. JetBoil Flash 1.0 LES. The JetBoil Flash 1.0 LO is a fast and convenient camping stove system that makes heating water and meals on the trail effortless. It's designed to boil 0.5 liters of water in just around 2 minutes, so you can enjoy hot coffee, tea, or a quick meal without wasting time. perfect for backpacking, hiking, or car camping. It's compact, lightweight, and ready to use in any outdoor setting. The system features a 1.0-liter flux ring cooking cup with an insulating cozy that keeps your drinks warm longer. Its turn and click ignition is easy to use, even in cold or windy conditions, and a thermochromatic heat indicator changes color to show when your water is hot, so you always know when it's ready. JetBoil's flux ring technology ensures heat is evenly distributed, making it fuel efficient and helping you get the most out of each canister. The stove's bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup or small bowl, reducing the number of items you need to carry. Everything nests neatly inside the cooking cup, keeping your pack light and organized. Reliable, fast, and simple, the JetBoil Flash 1.0 liter is the perfect companion for anyone who wants hot drinks and meals on the go. Kelty Spill Ender. The Kelty Spill Ender is a smart and simple accessory that makes using paper towels while camping or outdoors much easier. No more soggy rolls, blown away sheets, or messy corners. This clever system hangs, protects, and dispenses paper towels all in one compact setup. Made from durable 600D polyester, it fits almost any paper towel roll, even larger shop towels. The center rod lets the roll spin smoothly, so you can tear off sheets easily without the whole roll unraveling. A zippered opening makes loading and reloading quick and hassle-free. The Spill Ender is also versatile to hang anywhere, on a tree branch, a picnic table, a camp kitchen rack, or even your tent support loops. It keeps your towels clean, dry, and ready to use, protecting them from rain, dirt, or curious animals while keeping your campsite organized. Ozatrail Deluxe Cupboard Range. The Ozatrail Deluxe Cupboard Range is a smart and practical storage solution made especially for camping and outdoor trips. These foldable cupboards help you keep your food, cookware, clothes, and camping gear neatly organized instead of scattered around your tent or campsite. They are designed to be lightweight yet strong, using a sturdy aluminum frame that sets up quickly without any tools. The cupboard is covered with tough fabric that can handle outdoor conditions, while the solid shelves provide reliable support for everyday camping items. Many models come with multiple shelves, giving you plenty of space to organize things properly. Some versions also include mesh side pockets, which are perfect for storing small accessories you need to grab quickly. Pomoly Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove. The Pomoly Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove is a compact and reliable wood-burning stove made for camping, hot tents, and outdoor adventures. It is designed for campers who want strong heat and cooking power without carrying heavy or bulky equipment. The stove is built from durable stainless steel, so it can handle high temperatures and tough outdoor conditions with ease. What really makes this stove stand out is its fast fold design. The panels and legs fold flat, allowing the stove to pack down neatly and take up very little space in your gear. Setup is quick and simple, even if you are camping in cold weather or low light. Once running, the stove produces impressive heat, making it perfect for warming a tent, drying clothes, or cooking meals. The front door includes a clear glass window, letting you enjoy the fire while keeping an eye on the flames. Adjustable air vents help control the burn rate, giving you better heat management and fuel efficiency. Since it runs on wood, it is ideal for off-grid camping where fuel supplies are limited. Overall, the Pomoly Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove is a great choice for outdoor lovers who want warmth, cooking ability, and easy portability in one well-designed camping stove. Tattle Smart Shell. The Tattle Smart Shell is a high-tech camping tent that attaches directly to the back of your vehicle, turning it into a cozy and weatherproof outdoor shelter. It works with both electric and gasoline cars, making it perfect for road trips, overlanding, or weekend camping adventures. Made from durable silicone-coated ripstop nylon, the Smart Shell is built to handle all types of weather, rain, wind, or sun, while staying lightweight and easy to carry at just 26 pounds. Its smart connection sleeve secures the tent to your vehicle, creating extra space and comfort as an extension of your car or SUV. Setup is fast and simple, so you can focus on enjoying your trip rather than struggling with complicated tents.